Tell us your name, where you're from.
Okay, my name is Miriam Diaz. I'm in Jamaica Plain, Massachusetts. My daughter came home from school with the homework, and I was busy doing preparing dinner. And I asked her to ask her father or her older brothers, and she said it was too embarrassing, and she wanted to talk to me about it. So as I looked at her homework, I gave you some of the papers. She was asked to draw an ejaculation and an erection. And I don't know if you guys have been lately around 10 and 11-year-old, but they're very small, and I mean, they're not ready. At least my daughter and most of the people in the classroom were not ready to see this kind of material. She did not want to draw it, and I told her that she didn't have to draw it. We were told that there was an email that went out saying we're going to do some health introduction, but nothing about sexuality or intercourse at all, and it was all about intercourse and other things. I thought it was going to be something about how you develop and how you grow. She did not feel safe with the teacher or discussing it with a class full of students either. So I also didn't think that it was a good thing to have her in front of a class full of people to introduce this material to her. I understand that we're all trying to do the best we can for society, and that you guys are out there trying to make the absolute best decisions for our children. But not everybody is in the same level at the same time. And I just think that we're pushing more and more towards earlier and earlier age to talk about intercourse and sex. And it's just, if you sit at a playground looking at 10 and 11-year-olds, you are going to notice quickly that they're not ready to be talking about intercourse. And we should be looking at this more as individual and just leave it to the parents. We have not screwed up that badly. We can manage our kids.
Any questions? I have a question for you. Did you get any written notice from your school at all about the content of the course? Because there's a requirement about notice already.
No.
So it may be that somebody dropped the ball and given you the notice.
No, I didn't. I talked to all the parents and that did get the notice, but sexual intercourse was not listed. It was health.
Thank you. Thank you for your testimony. Any